Hello guys. So today our topic is healthcare database, and in the last class we spoke about unstructured and structured data. I hope you liked the video. And today's topic is healthcare database. Why we need this? What do you mean by healthcare, and what is a database of healthcare? So we will learn that today. Imagine a hospital has thousands of patients. Every patient has a different information. Okay, like let's say thousand of patient, and if they use one organized system. Okay, so every patient have a different information from the thousand of patients. So their name, their age, their blood pressure, test reports, medicine, appointment, medical history, all those things. So now imagine trying to find one patient's information from thousand of paper files. That would take forever. So how do hospital manage all this information? The answer would be a healthcare database. Okay, so simply, what is a database? A database is simply an organized place where information is stored, and when that information is related to healthcare, that's called a healthcare database. Okay, so it's like store, organize, and then find it. That's called healthcare database. So let's imagine a patient named Rahul. Okay, so first thing would be his age. Doctor will ask, like, okay, the hospital may store information such as his like age, then blood pressure, his lab reports, his medicines, his previous visit. All this information can be stored in a healthcare database. Okay, now here's the useful part. Suppose Rahul comes back to the hospital after 6 months. Okay, and the doctor doesn't need to start from zero, like आओ and बैठो and बताओ आपका नाम क्या है, no, all this time he doesn't need to start. Okay, आपको simply database में जाना है. You have to search that. The patient information can be retrieved from the database. That helps the healthcare team understand the patient history and make informed decisions, right? So but healthcare database aren't useful only for one patient. Imagine a hospital has data from 10,000 patients. Now analysts can study this data as well. Okay, which disease is most common, which is the age group is affected the most, like how many patients are recovering, how many patients are coming back for treatment. So this all will be analyzed data, common disease, age, recovered, returned, number of patients, all those things. And this is where healthcare analytics come in the picture. Okay, so this database stores the information. Analytics helps us understand the information. Okay, so here is an easy way to remember it. Think of a healthcare database like a huge digital library, and the books are the patient information. The self keep everything organized, and when you need something, you can find it much faster. So, database equals to a digital library. It stores, organize, and you can find it as well, right? That's all. Let's quickly revise. A healthcare database is an organized system used to store and manage healthcare information. It contains patient information, medical records, lab result, medicine, and much more. And that stored data can be later used for healthcare analytics. So, yep, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching Pharmacy Buzz. If you're learning healthcare analytics from zero, subscribe and follow this journey step by step. In our next video, we will learn something very important. What is KPI in healthcare? If you know this, let me know in the comments. See you.